playing PvP in Animal Company.
So when I know.
Oh wait, that's Declan. He's on my team.
I got 11 kills, Stripped got 1 kill.
Yeah, but we're still
How do you check how many kills you have?
Alright, everyone mine like crazy.
Don't you fucking dare. Dude, Declan!
Oh, revive me. Revive me.
I can't.
Listen, like, kill him and revive him. Kill him and revive.
I think you killed him. Oh shoot, we gotta guard this one thing at all costs.
Yep.
I swear, if we lose to this guy.
Ow, fuck.
Freaking Canadian.
I'm Canadian.
Okay, that's great. No, you guys!
Let's go! We team victory!
Yes! I just only got one.
Play again.
Yeah, play again.
Yeah, you guys can't be talking, bro. Drips is Canadian too.
Alright,
Okay,
same team.
We're
Same
not switching
team.
teams. Okay, me and okay, you want to be in his team?
Alright, I'll be on Josh's team then.
Alright, bet.
Okay.
Wait, what? What team do I go on? Oh.
You can stay on this team if you want. I'm on your team.
Yeah. Actually, wait,
Alright.
Yeah, we low-key cooked that first round.
Yeah, you guys did cook.
Wow!
ML10 again? Can I go with ML?
Dude, ML10, guard.
What?
We killed each other at the same time.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Oh shit, I forgot you were on my team.
Can you go over there for once?
How did I just die from fall damage?
Go over there and try and mine some crystals.
I can only get kills.
Somebody has fall damage now, bro. Since when was that an update?
What? No way!
Wait, how? Again? Is this fierce?
No way.
You go attack out the fence.
Okay.
I don't stand a chance.
Good. I got so much better at. I'm so
How
much
am I
better
this
at-
bad?
ML10 go on the same team next time
Yep.
again, because I want to go with them.
Damn, fuck.
I'm getting shotguns this time so I can
Alright,
duel.
you.
Papa.
What? No! What is the chance?
What happened to your voice, Evan? Holy.
What are the chances, bro?
Oh shit.
You already hit.
Oh no!
Puberty hit hard.
Yes. How did I not do the dual kill with you? Drift, hello.
Yes, I'm stuck, so hurry!
No! Yeah, can me and Hamilton go and...
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Yeah, let me and ML10 do it.
I'll keep on farming.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, bro, we're actually about to win, Declan. We're actually about to win, Declan.
No, you're not.
We're actually about
Oh,
to win,
Toto,
Declan.
what's up?
We're actually about to win, Declan.
Who is it?
Who joined? Wait, who joined?
Toto.
Who joined?
Where's the farm! Just farm! Absolute farm! Absolute farm!
Yeah, bro, nice try, bro.
Bro, who is TAC?
The Amazing Digital Circus.
They're amazing.
TMA's been distrust searches.
Oh, he's gonna win! He's gonna win! We're gonna win!
Let's go!
Let's go! I'm the GOAT!
Yeah, ML10, let's go on the same team, bro. ML10, we go.
I am the
Okay, blue.
GOAT!
Alright,
Exactly.
ML10,
We'll
go
go
in
around
blue.
and then we can
ML10, go in
probably
blue. ML10, go in blue. Please, blue.
I am the
Alright.
GOAT!
Alright, me
Okay.
and ML10, me and ML10.
dude.
Yeah, but Evan,
We did so
I
good.
wouldn't want me this round because I'm
Hamilton.
low-key gonna... I need a break.
Bro, we did
Yeah,
so
should we
good.
just go like probably chill
I
somewhere?
need a break, gang. I've been cooking for the last...
One more game, one more game.
Yeah, one more game, after, and then after break.
Whew. I think I seen your face. Yeah, you kind of chub your snail looking.
I am chubbier snail, but like...
You're the chubby.
Have my grenade.
Okay.
Farm, absolute farm, Evan.
Where are you laying?
Yes!
We're breaking crystals, let's go.
I gained awards for killing people. Let's go.
Why did you stand out like it was a complete normal sentence?
Yo, that's not modding.
Bro, Declan, we're gonna lose.
Yo! Instantly farm.
Kill him, kill him.
Hey, mine. Let's go.
Yes!
I'm so sorry, I'll never do that again.
We got that game. We got 2 crystals left.
Dude, I suck at this game,
Oh,
bro.
that's easy for me, gang.
I always play this, but nobody else plays it.
We got one more, Evan. You got this. Come on, get it. Hang on. Let's go at the same time so we're unstuck.
Dude, I shot this guy 6 or 7
Shoot. Evan, trick me. Evan,
Yes!
Dang it.
GG's.
Alright, let's
Evan,
go,
now
let's
I know
go.
why you wanted ML10 on your team. Because he just carries you.
broken.
Okay, let's go
ML10
check.
and me are a good team. ML10.
Where are we going, Declan? Declan, where are we going? Okay. I couldn't hear you. And Evan, you just got carried by ML10.
Hamilton carry.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's not true. I was killing and
Why did you want
Yo,
ML10
I'm
on
gonna
your
go
team
get
so
some
bad?
water. I'll be right back.
doing the same thing. I was just saying that me and ML10 were a team.
Yeah, but you said, but no, at the beginning you said.
Alright, subscribe, guys. Wait, guys, come to Mirror. I'm gonna end the video.
After that, I said it was a joke. After that.
Guys, come to Mirror. I'm gonna end the video.
Alright.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Evan
Yeah, I got a
VR.
bottle of water.
And bye.
I'm not there.
I'm blurring that out.
What about
Alright,
Evan?
subscribe. This might be my new banner, actually. Comment down below if you want me to do more Animal Company content, and subscribe.
I'm gay, guys, but
Thanks.
Also, ML10's a hillbilly.